Hi, this is a demo on how to use Google's Dialogflow to retrieve information from a backend database via REST API. So for this demo, I have chosen the use case of a retail industry where customers frequently call the contact centers or they check online for their order status and to check their gift card balance. So I have created a web app, the Flask web app, that contains order details and gift card details. So basically, I have put in some dummy data into this Flask web app. Let me show you the web app. So this is the web app that I have created. So it contains some sample data on the orders and the gift cards. So we will see how to retrieve this information via the uh, Google's Assistant. So I have hosted this app in App Engine, and the backend database is Cloud SQL, and I have also exposed the data via the REST APIs. So I have REST APIs for the order and the gift cards. And I have put in an API proxy for these REST APIs using APG. Um, so we don't have to expose our APIs directly to Dialogflow. And in the Dialogflow, I have created a welcome intent, fallback intent. These intents are created by default. You can configure them according to your need. I have made some changes to the training phrases and also to the responses. And this is my get order number intent. And for the fulfillment section, I have used a cloud function that will call the RPG API proxies to retrieve my JSON data. So now let's go ahead and do the testing on Dialogflow.
Sure, getting the test version of my test app.
Greetings. Welcome to Retail Client. How can I assist you today?
I want to know my order status.
Sure, I can help you with that. Please give me the order number to retrieve the status.
100.
Your order number 100 is currently in delivered status.
I want to know my gift card balance.
Sure, I can help you with that. Can you please give me your gift card number to check the balance?
1002.
Your balance amount on gift card number 1002 is $100.34.
I want to buy some shorts.
Sorry, I can't help you with that. If required, I can transfer the call to the contact center agent.
Please transfer the call.
Sure, thanks for your patience. Transferring the call to the contact center agent.
So as you can see, we are able to retrieve the order status information and the gift card balance information from our database using Google's Dialogflow. And you can also check the cloud function that I have deployed here. Let's go ahead and check the logs, see if As you can see, we have retrieved our order number and our gift card numbers here. This is the same information that I have hosted over here. Thank you very much for seeing this demo. Please contact me on LinkedIn if you have any questions. Thank you.